What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today we're going to do a cocktail called a Fedora, and I thought it would be kind of fun because it is actually based on a cocktail called an Dorado punch, which was published by Jerry Thomas in 1876. And then it was subsequently done in 1888 by Harry Johnston in the new improved Bartender's Manual. But the one that we're doing today is from Jacob Grohusko from his Jack's Manual in 1910. And I just thought it's just like a really awesome cocktail. And I love to do like these updates on super classics. So like something that was like, something that had its genesis with, you know, Jerry Thomas, and then watching bartenders sort of evolve it over time is pretty amazing and awesome. So let's get into this cocktail. I don't have a lot to say about it other than that. Jack's Manual is great. I have a friend named now his name is just flown out of my head. So much for what? A friend. Yeah, it's more of an acquaintance, isn't he? No, I would say he just moved away. His name is Josh Marks. He's a photographer, and actually, when we did the last Jack's Manual cocktail on this channel, he told me that he's actually related, like Jacob Grohusko is like his great-great-grandfather or something like that, which is pretty awesome. And then we had a whole conversation about it. It was really, really cool. So I thought I would just like throw that out there. I think I said it in the last, I can't remember what the drink, I think it was a Brooklyn. That was the last one that we did. I'll put a link above. Okay, let's get into it. First thing we're gonna do is 3/8 of an ounce of lemon juice, 3/8 of an ounce of simple syrup, which half an ounce of Jamaican rum, 1/4 of an ounce of dry Curaçao, the Pierre Ferrand dry Curaçao, and 1.5 ounces of bonded bourbon. It doesn't actually have to be bonded bourbon. I just like doing bonded bourbon. And this is going to be one of those shake and dump cocktails, but we're actually going to dump it over. I'm putting the wrong cap on the wrong thing because I'm not paying attention. We're going to do like a cracked ice shake and dump on this one. That is what the directions say, and that is what I am going to do. Doing it how they do it old school. I'm going to get ice all over the house while doing this too. But I want to break these down into little pieces. Do I need more ice? Maybe not. Maybe just a little more. I don't know. It's kind of a lot of ice. So there we go. And we're just going to give it a shake. Just dump it into our glass. It actually could have used a little more ice. Actually gonna, there we go. All right, let's give it a whirl. That's what I love about that Dr. Bird. So the Jamaican rum I'm using in this cocktail is super, super Fogo banana. It's got that nice Jamaican funk. You know, you get the heat from the bourbon. Our Curaçao sort of dries it out. And I got to tell you that I thought that the 3/8 of simple syrup wouldn't be enough. But to tell you the truth, paired with the Curaçao and that little bit of simple syrup and just that little bit of lemon, it is very booze forward, but you still, you get that nice back palate booze. So it's really booze forward, but it's still pretty refreshing. It's a hefty drink. Everything that we're using in here, or most of the stuff that we're using in here, is pretty high proof. So be careful with it. There you have it, my friends. Jack Grohusko's Fedora cocktail. Oh, let's not forget to, God, I almost forgot to garnish, guys. I mean, this is like very simple, sort of, I don't know, there is lots of, let's see if we can, I don't like seeds inside the garnish. And these, I don't know, it's going to ruin the garnish. I'll just do this. I'll just cut a non-seeded slice. There you have it. I think it might be kind of nice to do something like that. Voila! There we have it, guys. Is the idea of that actually. There you have it. Cool. And garnished. So if you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe. And if you want to get us on Patreon to help us out, you can go to patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly. We are very, very, very grateful for all our viewers, but also very grateful for the viewers that help us make this cocktail channel what it is. So check us out on Patreon. Check out the show notes because we'll go a little deeper into the history and enjoy this cocktail. Until next time.